Hi, my name is Hayuk Abdulkamar.
My name is Janisha.
My name is Danisha.
Hi, my name is Ashley.
Hi, my name is Thierry.
My name is Go Yang Hong.
Hi, my name is Summer and this is my study tips.
This is my exam tips.
These are my exam tips.
These are my exam tips. For exam tips, well, first of all, I would invite all of my friends because I prefer on study groups. Because if I study in groups, it makes me more effectively and I can ask for opinions with my friends.
How do I study? I like to study alone. I like to zone out when I'm studying so that I don't have any distractions. I hate studying with my friends because they're noisy and love yapping. They love gossip, so I like to avoid that and study alone by myself.
Well, I start by studying alone. I cannot study in a friend group because I get distracted really easily. And I would wear headphones. I won't really blast music, but I play something that calms me down or helps me focus.
Actually, I like to study in groups because it's more efficient to me and it keeps me motivated. So if it's more convenient to me because if I don't know anything and I can just ask my friends immediately. Yeah.
I usually prefer to study alone because that's when I have no distractions around me. So I would sit alone, maybe in my room or maybe just somewhere where human contact is at minimal.
Okay, so I'm a self-study. I hate to study with people because I get easily distracted and I will tend to focus more on different things rather than the subjects and the tests that I'm studying for.
For how long? I would say maybe around 2 to 3 hours. If longer than that, my focus is just going to be very, very messed up.
Where and when I'm a morning person, so I study really early in the morning. And like I said, I like to be alone, so I always study in my room so that it's comfortable.
My preferred study time because I'm a dancer. So usually on weekdays I'll be very busy. So I'll normally study at night, like very late at night after I'm done with all my daily activities.
I like to study at my home because I think it's more comfortable and also more peaceful. And I like to study at night because about 9 to 12, something like that.
Normally after 7 p.m.-ish, so until 10.
It's usually at school, maybe at the beanbag room or a certain cafe which has like a library or a cafe that's not a lot of people. So yeah, if you go to McDonald's, it's going to be very hectic. I'll motivate myself on study is I basically think of the worst thing that can happen if I don't study. Like for example, what's the worst thing if I don't do this project or do this assignment? Well, maybe I won't get a certain job or maybe I become homeless. That's a very bad idea.
What motivates me is the type of success I see in the long term. So I focus more on long-term goals rather than short-term goals.
I think that because I really care about my results very much and I don't want to lose from the others, so I wish to be better self here.
I believe to motivate yourself, you must have a goal. So I always like to set a goal for myself, be it for academics or co-curricular activities.
I think motivation is something you should build up from young. You should be hardworking and I think you will get the motivation once you get the fruit of success.
It's funny because I like to reward myself. So whenever I do a chapter or whenever I finish studying, I like to get myself something bougie, I would like to say. So yeah, I like to reward myself with that.